Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English unit number 2, page number 19 and 20, exercise grammar. Students, now let us start. Part E, countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are the nouns, persons, places, things which can be counted. Examples: one person, two teachers, 500 rupees. Next, uncountable nouns are the nouns which cannot be counted. Examples: water, hair, milk, weather, etc. Next, page number 20. Tell whether the underlined noun is countable or uncountable. Sentence number 1. Would you like some milk with cereal? In this sentence, word milk is uncountable noun. Next, sentence number 2. You need eggs for this recipe. In this sentence, word eggs is countable noun. Next, sentence number 3. Fahad asked for more time to finish his research report. In this sentence, word time is uncountable noun. Next, sentence number 4. We should work for our country as a nation. In this sentence, word nation is countable noun. Next, sentence number 5. Moin should listen to his teacher. In this sentence, word teacher is countable noun. Next, sentence number 6. The teacher wants his students to put more effort into their assignments. In this sentence, word assignments is countable noun. Next, sentence number 7. Any task is achievable with enough determination. In this sentence, word task is countable noun. Next, sentence number 8. These books will help you in your essay. In this sentence, word essay is countable noun. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.